Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes. Right now I'm on the main road coming from Jerusalem side. So I'm gonna give you a tour of Providence Road in Santa Cruz. So enjoy the ride. And in Providence Road, I think they have 2 houses over there selling. So anyone interested, I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna leave the number so you all can give them a call and you all can go on the website and look at it. So thank you all for watching my channel. So I'm gonna make a left turn. So Providence Road is about 4 minutes drive away from Santa Cruz town. As you can see, it's a very nice housing scheme. So I'm gonna make a turn onto Homestead Way, which I'm gonna show you the house that is selling. So I'm gonna make a right turn. So it's a very nice scheme.